Welcome back to Car Engine Enthusiast. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Mercedes-AMG CLA-Class. This sleek and sporty four-door coupe brings a perfect blend of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. Is this the perfect ride for those seeking that AMG thrill with everyday practicality? Let's find out. The 2025 CLA-Class showcases a fresh design that turns heads wherever it goes. It maintains the signature AMG styling cues, featuring an aggressive front fascia, a distinctive AMG grille with vertical slats, and muscular lines that flow seamlessly across the body. The new model sits on lightweight 19-inch alloy wheels with an option to go for 20 inches for an even sportier look. Full LED headlights with a revised, sharper design complete the sleek front profile, while the rear sports a quad exhaust setup that not only looks great, but delivers that trademark AMG growl. Under the hood, the CLA-Class doesn't disappoint. This year, the 2025 CLA-45S gets a refined version of AMG's legendary 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-four engine. It's now capable of producing a whopping 421 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. With a 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, this compact powerhouse can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds. The standard CLA-35 also boasts an impressive 302 horsepower, ensuring that whichever model you choose, the CLA-Class delivers a dynamic driving experience. AMG's new exhaust system with variable valve control offers a range of sound profiles, from subtle to spine-tingling roars. Step inside and you're greeted with a luxurious cabin that embodies Mercedes-AMG's attention to detail. The 2025 model includes the latest MBUX infotainment system, spread across a stunning widescreen cockpit display that integrates both a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.25-inch central touchscreen. The AMG performance seats are finished in premium Nappa leather, providing excellent support for spirited driving while maintaining comfort for long trips. Ambient lighting with 64 customizable colors adds a sophisticated ambience to the cabin. The 2025 CLA-Class is packed with advanced tech features, including an upgraded MBUX system that supports both voice and gesture controls. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come as standard, making it easy to stay connected on the go. Safety is a top priority, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and the latest version of Mercedes pre-save system. The driving assistance package now includes enhanced semi-autonomous driving capabilities, offering extra peace of mind on the road. When it comes to driving dynamics, the CLA-Class is a blast. The AMG tuned suspension, along with adaptive dampers, provides a perfect balance between sporty handling and everyday comfort. With the dynamic select drive modes, you can customize your driving experience, from comfort mode for daily commutes to race mode for a track-like experience. The new electronic limited slip differential and revised chassis tuning ensure the car stays planted through corners, offering impressive agility and grip. As for pricing, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG CLA-35 starts at around $51,000, while the CLA-45S commands a premium with a starting price of approximately $62,000. Both models come with various customization options and packages to suit your taste. Mercedes-Benz plans to have the CLA-Class hitting showrooms by mid-2025, so enthusiasts won't have to wait long to get behind the wheel of this stunning AMG coupe. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG CLA-Class perfectly embodies the essence of AMG: thrilling performance, striking design, and luxurious comfort. Whether you opt for the CLA-35 or the CLA-45S, you're getting a well-rounded vehicle that's just as comfortable on city streets as it is on the racetrack. It's the ideal car for those who crave excitement, but don't want to compromise on everyday usability.